Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule, which takes the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. D stands for division. M stand for multiplication. A stand for addition. S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we calculate 3 power square and root 256. According to this, 3 power square equals to 9 and root 256 will get 16. According to this step, BODMAS requires solving the term inside the brackets first, and inside these brackets order, powers and roots take the highest priority. So now the current expression becomes square root 81 divided by 9 plus 16 square root of multiply by 4. Move to the next step. Perform the division inside the brackets. Now 81 divided by 9 will get 9. According to this step, inside the bracket division takes the priority over the addition. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 9 plus 16 square bracket of multiply by 4. Move to the next step. Perform the addition to clear the brackets. Now add the terms. 9 plus 16 will get 25. According to this step, you must completely simplify the inside of brackets before moving to outside. And now the current expression becomes 25 multiplied by 4. Move to the next step. Perform the final multiplication. Now multiply the digits. 25 multiplied by 4 will get 100. According to this step, this is the last remaining operation outside the bracket, and 100, which is the final result. Now according to this expression, by strictly following the BODMAS order of operations, we systematically simplify the grouping symbols and operations to reach the final verified result to 100. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.